Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl once again. Yeah. It's been a long period of time. Yeah, it's been very long period of time. Yes, since my last video that I posted on LG top loader Hisense washing machine. Yes, that video is a top notch. It's a very top notch. You need to watch it. If you haven't watched it, go to my channel, look for it, search for it. I made a video on LG top loader washing machine. Yes, help me to share it, like it, and subscribe too. Thank you. Yes, on today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to solve a problem. I've been receiving a lot of questions based on my last video I posted on how to solve the problem or on your LG washing machine top loader, so that your water will not drain away. So as you on your washing machine, the water will not drain. Some people has been asking me, ma, please, as I'm on my washing machine, the water do drain away. That what will I do? Yes, this is the right video for you to know what to do on that. So as we goes, I will tell you on how to fix your U-curve. That U-curve will help you. Yeah, sorry guys, we have been so busy, packing in our new home. So a lot of packing and rearranging, beg my husband, woman power now. I got to beg my husband to help me do that part of the video clips. It's right, it's a technical, part of it. So I got to beg him to help me to do that video clips, so I was able to post it and answer that questions, because I have been receiving a lot of questions, due to my schedules of packing to a new home, trying to rearrange and fix the washing machine in order. I got to fix it again, so I can be able to use it. So today I eventually fixed it. So and the video is being made. So as you watch it, you will see the steps that are involved. Your U-curve, your drainage, pouring water and it's draining away. You all will see it in this video. So as you watch, please do help me to share it to your friends and loved ones. Do help me to comment. Do help me to like it. Make it to go viral, please. Without you people, I cannot do anything. Please help me to share this video. Make it to go viral, please, guys. Bye.
Hi guys, so this is the drain with the drain collector. So what we're going to do is, most people find it very difficult when they put on their washing machine, the top loader. You find out that water does drain out. So this is the solution. So the solution is, you have your drain waste down or any point where it is, but it should be at the ground. So it's here. So what you will do is you will get your U-curve. So you get your U-curve. So this is the U-curve that is part of the accessories that comes with the machine. So what you do is, don't throw away this U-curve because it's very important. So you have to install it behind the washing machine, somewhere very close, somewhere at this line. See this point? You see this collector, this area where the water goes into the machine. So you have it somewhere close there, where your water, where the U-curve should be, around that point. So you would want to install it on the wall, so that you can properly have the drain or the water draining out into the waste, so that it wouldn't return back. Because usually what happens is, if this water collector stuff is on the ground, you keep filling in water in this machine and it will be draining out. But for you to avoid that, it has to go a bit higher, somewhere at the level of the machine. You see the machine, so it has to come somewhere a bit. So by the time you have your water in, by the time you have your water in, at least it should go above this water level. You get above this water level inside. So that is what we are. That's what the target should be. So the target should be, it should be above the water level of the container. So this is what we'll do. So I would have to mark this point. I will have to take it closer, then I mark the point. So this is the point where I would want this collector to be. So what I would do now is to move away the machine. So if you can do this, is a DIY thing, you can do it by contacting either a plumber or someone that is experienced in it, or you can even do it yourself. But today I'll be doing it myself. So you have your screw, your fisher. So this is my fisher, this is my screw, and here is the nail. So I want to use this nail to bow it. But then you may not necessarily not need this. You can either use your concrete nail to drive it directly on the wall. So depending on what you want. But today I'll just use the concrete nail to just make the drill hole, then use my fisher. So just watch. Good. So I'll have to check if, okay, it's the point. So at this point, I'm trying to make the hole bigger so I can drive in my fisher. So don't mind why the wall is peeling. I guess it's rainy here, so the walls are wet. So I'm trying to make the hole wider. Then this is the fisher. Or the fisher can't go in. So I'll continue drilling the hole. Okay, so this is the fisher. So I install the fisher in. See, it is the fisher. Then I'll get my screwdriver. So this is the U-curve. So I'm going to install the U-curve here. So you see this screw is kind of short. So I'm going to work with this. So I'm driving this in. So you see I have my U-curve here. So you would have to, so you see, so I install okay. So I would install this here. And install this here. So this is the U-curve. Then below here, where the drain goes, I'll now put my bushing. And it drains out. So we are done with the connection. So let's put it on and see. Okay, so because we just want to try and show you how it works, we just put in water there. We are not ready to wash, so but we're going to show you So let's select program 19. Let's do wash. Let's do wash of 4 hours. Then our cool water is in check. We'll have so the program here. I just do on the quick. I just want to check, so you see. I just want on the quick. Then wash, and let's see if we can water level. I just want a very small water level because we are trying out something. Okay, so 1 here. So let's see. Let's start. So it's been long it's been long we used this machine. So let me show you. It's been long we used this machine, and definitely we have dirty water coming out. So this is how it's going to wash it. So I have to close it. So I have to close this, and this is it. So let's wait and see how long it's going to take. So as you can see, gradually we are having our water stocking. Is there, our water is there, and it's not draining out. So I just set it on the water level of 1, so it will not rush more, because I wouldn't want to waste water for this demonstration. So you see our water is getting higher and higher. So it's getting filled. But I wouldn't want this to be too much, please. So we may not wait until it gets filled, because we don't want to waste so much water. And we're not ready to use the machine for now. It's been long we installed it, and since we came into our new home, we've not used it. We've been using the manual wash. So you see, it's now spinning. So you see the water is going nowhere. It's there. So our water level is checked. Everything is checked. You see. So thank you guys, and if you have any problem, you can put it up on the comment section, and I'll be happy to respond. So I will hand over to my wife. For a very long time I've not been I've been so busy, so so we've not been able to do these technical videos, but I just had to come in, and because of your questions, I decided to, do this on a very quick one. So I will hand over to my wife, and she'll continue us from here. So see you guys. Keep commenting, keep sharing, keep liking, subscribe, and support my wife, even as I support her too. She's a lovely woman. So thank you so much. So see you guys. Bye.